Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I believe you all are familiar with the renewable solutions and technologies. I will present you an alternative case in the area of energy efficiency. You know that energy efficiency is one of the fastest and easiest way to reduce carbon emissions and electricity consumption. And this also means that energy efficiency is one of the easiest way and fastest way to make money. Global industry is using 4% of the electricity. And why we exist is that over 1.3 billion euros every year is wasted because of inefficient industrial CAS. Maybe you can imagine electricity production and consumption without any measurements and control. That's how the industrial CAS is today. We have been in the business over 10 years. The last 4-5 years we have been developing the energy efficiency system called AIRSave. Together with this product and our product side service concept CashAIR, we are able to provide hundreds of thousands of euros annual savings to our customers. And with this product side service concept, we do this in less than 12 months, which gives a payback time less than 12 months. And the best of all is that we give a guarantee to our customers. If there is no savings, they don't have to pay anything. Our team, both the board and the management, operating management team, has a good combination of experience in the areas of economics, global energy, industrial production industry, and the core what we do, the CAS, the energy efficiency of compressed air systems. And for you, maybe the interesting part should be how we are able to make the business in this field. We have been operating in Finland, now starting with the rapid growth globally, in Asia from China, the Europe and the Scandinavia. We already know 12 customers, global big stock listed players who altogether have over 150 industrial plants globally. So from these, we are looking to close at least 5 sites in the next 6 months, and after every 3 months, 10 cases. Average case for us, from a revenue point of view, 100,000 euros. We have offices, the headquarters in Ulvila in the western part of Finland, and the head office also in Helsinki. We are a spin-off since February this year, so started as a new operations, looking for very high growth. The nearest goal for us is set to 2014 to achieve turnover of 17 million euros with nearly 30% EBIT. And the personnel will be a bit over 10 persons in the end of this year. And as you can see from the curves, we are looking to raise the amount of personnel quite rapidly. And as the recruitments are going on at the moment, I'm very glad that we actually have had very talented persons applying for the jobs, which of course gives a very good feeling for us as for the future. So why invest in us? The state-of-the-art technology, which has taken years, has been ready a couple of years. And now when we are concentrated to the CAS, we know the technology platform is easily transferred to other energy utilities in industry. Also, the combination, the perfect match of our personnel from the proved service concept and with the dynamic business skills. And maybe the best of all, we are speaking over 20 billion market only with the CAS, but with the global industry energy efficiency improvement, whoever takes the place in the future has an opportunity for a multi-billion business globally. So, as we say to our customer, let's make your saving plans through. I would say, let's make your business plans and profit plans through. Thank you very much.
Thank you for that. Do we have any question here? Yep.
So, Matti Malkamäki, just one simple question. What do you do? I mean, what is your technology? You have we know the CAS, but what is your product? I mean, technical product. Or do you have any, or is just a
yes,
concept?
We do have a technology, the product, actual a physical product, a combination of hardware and software, a product called AIRSave, which is an energy efficiency system to control the energy efficiency of CAS. But what we do is actually we provide energy savings. We provide money to our customers with our product side service concept. That's the main product what we sell to our customers. So we actually sell the service, let's say 100,000 euros service, and with this service we guarantee our customers a minimum of 100,000 euros annual energy savings within 12 months' time. That's a mid-sized case, up to 500,000 euros.
Well, thanks. That sounds very, very promising if you can deliver on that. I had the same question as the previous question was. What is it really that you bring to your customers? But let extend on that a little bit. Can you explain a little bit how a sales cycle looks? Because it seems to be quite complicated for what you need to do in order to convince a large company with all these sites to implement what you are doing.
Well, from our point of view, I would say the sales is not the tricky part. It's always hard. Of course, we are more or less having negotiations with the top management of these industrial companies. They are interested of savings, of earning money, and that's what we give to them. So it's our problem to deliver. And when we give the guarantee that if there is no savings, there is no costs for our customers, it usually gets the deal or gets the process further.
So if I may ask, just elaborate on that. So assume that you convince the top management that you offer savings. What is then the next step that you take? Then you go to the operational level and you have to install equipment?
Yes, that's...
Is that equipment that you own yourself, or is that subcontracted, or...
That's the next part. After the deal, we of course do have the kick-off project meetings. What we do is we install the equipment what we own ourselves, this AIRSave equipment, which is more or less tailored to every customer. And after that, we start the process as this CashAIR service concept needs. So customer is more or less involved with some project meetings what we are having. Of course, we discuss a lot with the production personnel and so on. So to get into the processes and so on.
And the upfront investments are done by your customers?
No, we do. Our customer is only investing for this service, so we are responsible for all investments. Of course, from the contract, there is customer is the final who is deciding what products or what brands we are using and so on. But we are responsible of the whole project.
Yep. No questions. I have a question here. It's really, is your technology, is that protected by any patents or?
No.
which means that if you are successful, anyone can go in and copy you?
Of course, that's always possible. I believe with patents you can also, with the clever people, you can open and make some a bit more better product. The main part of the technology is the know-how behind. So you need to be able to analyze the data what you get out of the system.
Do you have any questions from the audience? Yeah, there's one question there.
If I understand you correctly, it's an ESCO concept, or are you sharing the benefits of it?
Well, regarding the first one, it's not an ESCO concept. What we did with when product citing the service, the problems with ESCO concept is that the projects are too long, so they are taking 5 to 10 years, and finally customer is not benefiting anything from that. And regarding the earning logic is that we have this basic fixed service fee for each customer, let's say 100,000 euros, and if we achieve 300,000 euros annual savings, this 200,000 above will be divided with the customer. So there is a win-win situation with the customer all the time.
If not any further questions, yeah.
Yes, I would like to just raise once more about this business model and this that what you deliver and so forth. So now you are seeing a very sort of good future in front of you and this way, but what are you expecting? What kind of investment you are willing to seek now, and how that does relate to your business? Because you have to eventually do some sort of an investment for the customer's premises. So how you're planning to finance that one? Is this investment that you are seeking now for, is it used for this kind of stuff, or do you have...
You're talking now about why we are here, looking for the investors.
Yes.
Yes. No. For the project, we are not looking for the financing. So, of course, the earning logic, we need to get money during the project. We are not invoicing everything afterwards. So we divide the invoicing, which gives us the opportunity or possibility to make the investments. Regarding the next round, what we are looking for to close by the Q3 next year is now we have a market in Finland which we are now expanding to the global market. So we are looking for the investments to the market entry in China, in Europe, and so on.
Okay. So there is one question over there, and that is the last question.
Okay, just a quick question regarding if someone would invest in you regarding the exit. Who would buy you, and would they buy your personnel with that know-how, or what would they buy there?
I believe we could have a long chat of that afterwards. There is a few examples which I could give. Let's say industrial companies in the maintenance area, in the industrial area, are looking for new solutions because the basic business is not bringing much today. The second case is that our kind of solutions one day in the future will be under a sort of umbrella or a bigger company. So who would that be? Don't know yet.
Okay, thank you very much for this presentation.